When you look at my flowers, look at this one. This was the first one. I just joined with the glue, no yarn. And then this was the fourth one. This one is perfect, right? Like, the more I make them, the better I get. I think this was the second, and this was the third, and now this is the fourth. So I believe the fifth is going to be even better. So I'm going to show you how to make the flower. I'm using the Alize baby best yarn and a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start with a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 15. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. After the 15 chains, we're going to start on the second chain from the hook. So this is the first. The one that I'm holding is the second. Insert the hook and pull up a loop to get 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops to complete a single crochet. Then into the next chain, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into that chain and do a half double crochet. So we pull up a loop and get 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. In the third chain, we're going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we complete a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Then for the fourth chain, we're going to yarn over twice, insert the hook into that fourth chain and pull up a loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 to complete a triple crochet. And we're going to do a total of 8 triple crochets. So that is 1, yarn over twice. Into the next chain, we're going to do the second triple crochet. Then we have, this will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we should have 3 chains remaining at the end. Now the next chain will get a double crochet. The next one will get a half double crochet. And the last one will get a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn over to this other side of the chain that we've worked over. So we are working around. So after chaining 1, we're going to go back into this last stitch and place a single crochet. Into the stitch that follows, we're going to do a half double crochet. It should be, they say it should be corresponding the half double crochet from the previous side. Then the next one will have a double crochet in the same spot where we had the double crochet on the other side. Then for the next 8 stitches, we're going to work triple crochets. I forgot to mention that I was working over this end just to weave it in. So I think I'm at 6 now. Then I'll do the 7th triple crochet, then the 8th, and then we're going to have the next chain will have a double crochet. The next one will have a half double crochet. and the last one is going to have a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet that we did, and that is the end of the first round of our leaf. Then we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to work in these spaces that are in the middle. Let me show you where we're going to work. So in this chain that is in the middle where we've worked the double crochets and the triple crochets on both sides, we're going to work into them, these spaces that you can see right here in the middle. So we want to work slip stitches in those spaces just to make the leaf more sturdy, more stable, more firm. Yeah. So insert the hook into this first space. I've already chained 1, so I'm going to move from there and insert my hook into that first space. Then I'm going to pull up a loop and slip stitch into the next space, yarn over, pull up a loop and slip stitch. So we're going to work into each of those spaces to the end on the other side. Insert the hook, pull the yarn from the other side, pull it through and slip stitch, and then keep going to the end. So the last space is over here. Then I'll do the last slip stitch on this stitch at the end, right there. Slip stitch into it or through it, and that is how our leaf looks like right now. We're going to do round 2 of our leaf. So chain 1, yarn over, go into this stitch that is next here and do a half double crochet, chain 1, and without skipping we're going to do a half double crochet into the next stitch. So for the stitches that are in these ends, we're not going to skip. So then we chain 1, and now we're going to skip until we get to a stitch before this stitch over here. So chain 1, skip, half double crochet into the next one. Chain 1, yarn over, skip, half double crochet next. Chain 1, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, skip, then half double crochet, chain 1, skip, half double crochet next, chain 1, skip, then half double crochet, chain 1, and because I'm coming to the tip of the leaf, I'm going to yarn over and I'll skip this, then I'll work a half double crochet into the next chain, then I'll chain 1, and into this, I was talking about a chain, it should be a stitch, into this stitch that is over here, I'll work into it without skipping. I'm supposed to skip it and work over here, but I'll not skip. I'll go into that stitch, work a half double crochet, chain 1, I'll not skip the next stitch again, so I'll work a half double crochet there. So you just want to make sure that in these stitches, 3 stitches over here, you're not skipping, just to make sure that your leaf does not curve. So on this side and on the other side. Next, I'll chain 1 and I'll start skipping, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, skip, and half double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, skip, half double crochet, chain 1, and now there's a stitch over here. I'll go right into it without having to skip it. and that will be our last half double crochet. Then I'll chain 1 and slip stitch into the first half double crochet that I did. So that's round 2. For the last round, which is round 3, we're going to chain 2 and go back into this stitch that we've just worked and slip stitch. That's called a picot stitch. Picot, I don't know whether the T is silent or not. Then into the chain 1, we're going to slip stitch on top of the half double crochet stitch. We're going to slip stitch and then chain 2 to work the picot stitch, then go back into that stitch with a slip stitch. Then in the space we slip stitch on the half double crochet, slip stitch, then chain 2 and back into that stitch with a slip stitch. Then slip stitch into the space, slip stitch into the half double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch back into that stitch. Then continue all the way round. I'm in the last half double crochet over here, so I'll chain 2, slip stitch, then I'll slip stitch here in between the stitches, then I'll chain 1 and cut off the yarn at that point, pull the yarn through and fasten. So that is one of our leaves. Then we're going to weave in this. Just weave it in. Trim off the ends. Then we're going to make 5 of these. We're going to leave a long end in one of the leaves so that we can use it to join the other leaves together. This is how our flower will look like. So they're going to overlap each other like this, Then we have the 5th one over there. So what I do before I use the glue, I like to just join them on the tips using the darning needle and this end. So I'm going to get this, attach it to another one, just like this. If you have a better way of attaching them, then use that. Because I felt by the time I got to this, I had to try out so many other ways of joining in order to make the flower. But if you have a better way, better than the one that I'm using, you can go with that. Then I get a third one and attach it over there, right there in the middle. I get a 4th one and I'll have it on the other side. So those are 4, and then I'll just create space for the 5th one over here. Then I like to take the yarn to the wrong side. I'm going to use it to attach the flower to the dress or to whatever outfit you're attaching it to. Then now we have the overlay like that. I'm just going to arrange them, warm up my glue. So when we glue them together, it's going to be perfect. Let me see whether it's warm. So now we glue these together over here. Once you've glued, you need to make sure that you stretch them to the desired side, like you want them to overlap like that. Then I'm going to go to the next one, and for this next one I'm just going to glue on this one side. Then attach like that. Then on this side we are gluing here. Right there, and there we have our flower. I think it's perfect. It's even better than the others. I'm getting better at this and I'm liking it.